Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where I like to make, create, and inspire fun art things with you. As you can see here, I have a whole bunch of Dollar Tree supplies that I will transform into my first Christmas in July mini-series videos. I know it seems like a lot of material is here, but I do not use all of it, and there are a few things that I did pick up at a thrift store years ago that I still had on hand. So if you would like to see me these materials into something awesome, then just stick along and let's art today. So today I will be making 3 different types of wreaths, but then turning it into one giant wreath. You see here, I have this burlap long ribbon that I've had for quite some time, and it has these red snowflakes that are just so beautiful, and I will be cutting it down to size and covering the wreath form in this material. This whole project, I will just be using my hot glue and some scissors to adhere to the wreath form. Here is some ribbon that I have gotten at a thrift store a while back, and now I'm finally putting it to good use, and I will be wrapping this wreath like a Christmas present. So I'll be cutting down the sizes that I need, hot gluing it on the back, and I do this about 4 or 5 more times. So now that I have my ribbon to where I like it, I have this headband with a little Santa hat on it that I'm just going to remove, and I will be hot gluing it in the direction I like. On to the next wreath, I will be taking this red ribbon and I will be hot gluing it all the way down one side, leaving it not glued on the other side, if that makes any sense. And now that the side is filled up, I will be doing the same on the opposite side adjacent to the first side that I did, and it took about 6 strips to fill up one side. When I'm lined up, I will be doing a weaving pattern to the wreath, making sure that one side has 3 up and 2 down and so on and so forth, to make it almost like a basket type wreath. And I will be hot gluing the end of them so that they can stay in place, and then I will do the other side picking up every other one to go back and forth. Hope that makes sense. If not, you can just see what I am doing here. If you are a crafty person like myself and enjoy these types of videos, please make sure to hit that thumbs up button so it lets me know to keep on making these videos for you. And if you haven't already, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, click the bell so that you can be notified every time I upload new content and videos, and join my little art family. It would mean so much. This is how it came out, and I just love this look. It's one of my favorites out of the three. I'd be using a giant snowflake for the accessories, and I would be using mesh tubing to make a loop type bow, and also some ribbon to make bows as well, and 3 foam balls for the center, almost acting as berries. Once again, just using my hot glue gun to glue everything in place. And for the final wreath, I will be using that burlap. I want to call it burlap paper. If you know what the name of this, please give me a comment below and let me know, because I just have the hugest brain fart as to what to call this. I know the material is burlap, but burlap roll of some sort. As you see here, I glued it down to the wreath form. I'm adding more red ribbon, making it look like a gift as well. I will be gluing that down with some hot glue gun, adding another layer of ribbon to give it some depth and extra texture, and gluing it all down. I just think these are so simple and lovely, and anyone can do it. And to accessorize this one, I will be taking this Dollar Tree bow, and I actually had to cut it down, the little ribbons on the side, and then place them where I wanted it to be placed, because it wasn't moving in the direction I wanted to. So I just cut it off the bow part, hot glue those down, and I will also be adding some red ornaments to act like almost bells. I am attaching the ornaments to a piece of ribbon, and I'm also hot gluing the ribbon back onto itself so that they can dangle down from the bow. And here is them each individually, showing you what they look like up close and personal. I just love this. I love this burlap. I love how simple and easy it is, fun to do with anybody, any ages, and it just puts me in the holiday spirit. As I said before, this one is my favorite. I love the weaving look. I love the detail of the snowflake. And this one is just adorable. It reminds me also of a bell without it looking like a bell, but it also looks like a Christmas present, which they all do. And it just makes me so happy. And I will be attaching them all together off screen so that here they look all together. I slanted the middle one so that it looks like it's stacking presents, and I am just so happy how this turned out. I hope you like these types of videos. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Be sure to hit that thumbs up bell and be notified when I upload new content, and look out for my Christmas in July series. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.